Alright, so now we are going to be doing our KYC. So after you've registered, you've done your security settings, the next thing you want to do is to do your KYC. But like I said in that previous video, KYC is not like it is something that if you don't do it, you will not do business. No. Whether you do your KYC or not, you can still do business. Now let me show you why. If I just come to my account, so I click this place, this profile right there, that's my profile. I click on it, then I come here. You can see my own is still saying verify. That means I've not verified it, right? So I'll click on this arrow right there. So I'll click on that arrow to come to this my profile, my complete profile. Then I'll click on this KYC verify arrow right there. So that is how you come to where you're going to do your KYC. Now you can see advanced KYC increases the 24-hour withdrawal limit to 200 BTC. Now right now my withdrawal limit, 24-hour withdrawal limit is, let me go back and see how many it is. Right here, you can see it right here. 30 BTC. So 24 hours, you can see 24 hours here. 24 hours withdrawal limit is 30 BTC. So 30 BTC right now is a whole lot of money that they have given me to withdraw within 24 hours. So let's go to our calculator to see how much that is. 30 BTC. So right now, if 1 BTC is around, let's say 64,000. 30 BTC times 64,000. That's about $1.9 million. So with that KYC, I can actually do a withdrawal of about $1.9 million within 24 hours, which is big, right? So hit that limit first before you can actually think of moving to the next level. Now, although there are benefits of doing your KYC, you can see my right now my level is still on VIP 0. That's because I've not done it. So let's see if we can do the KYC together right now. Okay, so for you to do your KYC, you click on the KYC like I said. Then when you come to this place, you click on the verify button. So once you click on the verify button, then you choose your country. Right now we are in Nigeria, so I'm choosing Nigeria. So once you choose your country, the next thing you're going to see the ID cards that is required. You can see driver's license, ID card, and passport. So I'm going to choose ID card. For my own, I'm going to choose ID card. Then I'll click on continue. Now, when you come to this place, you're going to choose the first one, which says all countries except USA, because you're not in USA, right? So you click on continue. Now, on this place, you're going to verify your ID. It only takes few minutes, like 2 minutes about, to verify. So the two things you're going to do here is identity document. That is what you're snapping. Then you're taking a selfie of yourself, right? So in this place now, right now, if I click on this, let me just click on continue, because I've already shown you the two things you're going to do. So I clicked on continue. Now the next thing you're asking me is to snap the ID card, right? So now I'm not going to continue to that next level. Why? Because of the time of the day. You can see I'm doing this video very, very late. It's around 1 a.m. right now, so everywhere is not as bright as it's supposed to be for me to snap these things, right? So but then let me just tell you the kind of documents you can use if you're using ID. Remember, we chose ID, so you can use your voter's card or you can use your name for that. So if you have a name, go ahead and snap the front and the back and upload it. Then after you upload it, the next thing that will show is for you to do a selfie of yourself. Once you do that selfie, you upload it, and then that is all. The next thing, you're just going to checkmate all those things to see that everything checks out. Then your account is going to be fully verified. Now once you're done with your verification, it means your account is fully ready. You don't have any other thing pending, right? And that is that. So this is the process of doing your KYC. If you want to do your KYC, just follow this process and do your KYC and get everything ready on your account. All right, that is it for me in this particular video. Now that you've done the setup and everything. The next video I'll be doing will be showing you a walkthrough of this whole platform. So that's the next video. I'll just show you everything about the platform step by step, so that when we go to the next video, then we can actually flow along. All right, that is it for me in this particular video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Most importantly, turn on your bell notification icon so that you'll be notified when I drop the next video. All right, guys, that is it for me in this particular video. I will see you in my next video. Remain blessed.